Magandang hapon pala, sorry naman. Magandang hapon o magandang gabi dyan kung nasaan kayong lupalop, magandang umaga. Jared Claudio here. Kamusta mga network marketers? Sa mga bagong nakikinig dito sa atin, ang mga content that you expect to get from from this page of mine, no? Gerard Claudio, Pinoy MLM Tactics. May kita mo rin to sa YouTube, Pinoy MLM Tactics by Gerard Claudio. May kita mo rin to sa Spotify, Pinoy MLM Tactics by Gerard Claudio. Okay, anyway. So, all about network marketing content, all about paano ba gawin ng tama ang network marketing. Okay, so, ako naniniwala talaga na para umangat ka ng legit na talagang long-term sa network marketing, kailangan gawin talaga siya ng tama. That's definitely the best way to do it. Maraming shortcuts, marami kang pwedeng pasikot-sikot, pero definitely, kung gusto mo talagang bumulusok o umusad ng network marketing business mo na may enjoy mo yung result mo, gawin mo siya ng tama. Okay? So, meron lang ako isang realization, guys, na gusto ituro sa inyo. How do I track high caliber and high quality network marketing leaders? Several years ago, makwento ko lang sa inyo kung saan nagagaling para at least alam nyo kung saan ano yung point ko dito. I have been building network marketing for more than 10 years. And several years ago, mga 2020 at late 2021, 2022. I had this realization na sabi ko, sandali lang. Bakit yung mga na-attract ko ng mga pay-ins that time was either ayaw gawin yung business, either pinipilit silang gawin yung business, either, alam mo yun, parang I'm dragging them to do the business. Ganon. Sabi ko, paano ba, how am I going to find people? Ito yung naging tanong ko sa mind ko eh. Paano ko hanap ng tao na gusto talagang mag-build ng network marketing business? Yung tipong, willing maghanap ng customer, willing magpa-pay-in, willing alagaan yung team niya. Ako nyo ba yun? Ayun yung hinahanap ko. Hindi yung tipong pagpasok, ayaw gumalaw. Diba? Sino sa inyo dito nakaka-relate, no? Parang feeling mo, ba't ito yung mga teammates na attract ko, ayaw gumalaw. Tama? Parang stress ka kasi taas sa expectation mo sa kanila, tapos sila ayaw gumalaw. Tama ba? So, ano ba yung problema? What is lacking? That's actually the question. What is lacking? Anong kulang? Right? And, na-realize ko na, ito yung mga few realizations ko, no? Kung sasabihin mo sa akin right now, na makakatap ako ng mga solid, high-performing network marketers before several years ago, hindi kita paniniwalaan. Kasi, I mean, who would even believe in me? Parang ganun yung thought ko eh. Parang, sino maniniwala sa akin? So, but right now, I have majority of the teammates na meron ako right now, either super solid nilang network marketer, talagang sold out sila sa business, either gusto talagang gawin yung business, walang arte sa katawan, which is really fun to build with, no? So baka gusto ko lang sabihin din, no? Baka possible bakit ka nasa-stress sa network marketing business mo kasi you're trying to convince wrong people to do network marketing. Nagkasa ba ibig kong sabihin? Kasi possible baka yun ang dahilan. I have one of my teammates na nakausap ko. Dalawa lang yung pinapagawa ko sa niya. Very, very simple. Number one, sabi ko sa kanya, I want you to try the product of our company. Basic, di ba? No effort at all. Okay? All you have to do is to try the product of the company. The other one, sabi ko, be present in all of our events and virtual meetings. Yung unang offer ko sa kanya, yung unang recommendation ko sa kanya, ayaw niyang gawin, dami niyang dahilan kasi yung product, ito, ang dami niyang reklamo sa products. And the other one is, ayaw niya daw kasi busy daw siya kasi sa work niya. And sa akin, sa tagal ko sa network marketing, just to give you an idea, sabi ko, okay, if those two simple things hindi niyo willing gawin, tama, that is an indicator na baka hindi lang talaga para siya sa business na to for now. Nakanya ba? Kasi ako niniwala seasons naman talaga ang buhay eh. Pero kung sasabihin mo sa akin na willing ka gawin yung business pero hindi mo ka willing gawin yung dalawang bagay, ano yun? Napakasimpleng bagay nun. Tama ba? Napakasimpleng bagay nun. As long as binigay ko yung time, effort, as long as binigay ko yung yung attention ko sa tao, tapos ganun yung isasagot sa akin, then wala akong, kumbaga sa akin, sa pag-unawa ko is, wala akong kulang. Tama? I provided all the support and all. But if you will answer me that way, and then after all of the support and all, that's already a filter. Nakuha nyo ba? Because even ako, kapag nagtitrain ako ng mga teammates ko sa organization ko right now, I am not assuming, I am filtering. So, ano ibig sabihin? Ibig sabihin, malalaman ko kung ang person talaga may capacity or may kung may potential siyang umasenso dito, umangat, basing on how they respond to the process of the business. Nakuha nyo ba ibig sabihin? Time nyo nga clear. Anyway, so right now, again, going back, ano ba yung ginawa ko kung bakit hindi ako masyadong affected if I have people na nakakapasok o sumasali sa team ko na ganyan yung naging response after all the support? Because I know how to attract high quality and high quality people. Okay? So let me share to you how. The first one is I use social media. I use online. I use internet. I never got my quality leads through face-to-face. Majority of them, in fact, all of them, mga quality ko na mga leaders right now, nakuha ko sila online. Okay? So what I do in online, I say content na gustong marinig ng mga quality prospect na gusto ko ma-attract. Nakuha nyo ba? Halimbawa, bigyan ka ng idea. Imagine nyo guys, makikinig ba kayo sa akin kung ang content ko puro prank, tapos mag-offer ako ng network marketing sa meeting course, yung Pinoy Network Editor. Di ba hindi? Parang off, di ba? So I'm very, very particular with the message that I throw online. Because kung ano yung binabato kong mensahe sa online, whatever we throw a message online, yun yung ma-attract natin. Nag-guess ba yung sinasabi ko guys? Type nyo nga gets. So yun ang pinakauna. I use online. Number 2, I make sure that I'm very particular with my message na sinasabi ko. Nga ba? And I'm consistently showing up. I am consistently showing up. I have the platform where so I have online, that's a platform. I make sure na yung message ko attracts the audience that I want to attract. Okay? And then I show up consistently. Nagkasabay, parang napakasimple na naman siya. But that's it. That's how I do it. But there's another thing na ginagawa ko. Actually, there's another thing na hindi ko ginagawa. Alam nyo kung ano? I never position myself na ako yung may kailangan sa prospect. Kasi kadalasan, napapansin nyo ba, sino nakaka-relate dito? Sino nakaka-relate sa inyo dito? Nakaka-attract ka ng mga prospect na feeling nila, they are doing you favor, kaya sila nag-join sa'yo. And then ikaw naman, you're expecting that these people will move kasi, anyway, baka, alam mo ikaw yung nagdala sa kanila sa opportunity, and then binaby mo sila. Alam mo yun, nakuha? Alam niyo isang bagay na realize ko, ang taong gustong mag-network marketing, at saka yung matalino sa network marketing, hahanap ng maayos na coach talaga. And kung hahanap yan, maniwala ka sa akin, hindi mo kailangang i-babysit yan. Kasi quality na nga yan eh. Nakuha? Just give them the avenue and the platform and the safe space na makagrow sila. You don't have to babysit these people. Ako, I still have, kasi kanya-kanyang growth ang mga downline. So, may mga downline ako na binibabysit ko pa until now. Pero, eventually, hindi naman yung endpoint eh. Tama? Pero if they remain na gusto nila mag-babysit ako, ibang usapan yan. Like what I've mentioned with you na, sabi ko, use the product, may rason, open, and be present in all trainings, may reason. Medyo alanganin yan. Medyo alanganin yung sa part na yan. Nakuha niyo ba ibig kong sabihin? But right now, I have a majority of leaders na talagang quality. When I say quality, gusto talaga mag-network. Alam niyo guys, ako, ang definition ko ng quality, hindi may pera lang. Ang definition ko ng quality, gustong gawin yung business. It doesn't matter kung may experience sa network marketing or wala. Now, I remember meron ako isang apply niya turo sa akin. Para sa kanya, ang quality may pera. Hindi lang may pera ang quality. Kasi possible may pera na ayaw gawin mo business diyan. Pwede siya maging user, pero hindi ko siya i-qualify as someone who is quality when it comes to business. Kasi ang para sa akin, again, ang quality and definition for me of quality is someone who is willing to work out the network marketing business. And of course, may aspect yon. Kung sino yung makakakilala niya, ano ba yung quality na makakakilala niya, nakuha nyo, or may buying capacity siya. Of course, may mga ganong aspect. But yung pinaka number one kong willing gawin ng business, gustong gawin yung business. I remember, meron ako isang downline, top 2 sa isang company, nag-join siya sa akin. And then, sabi niya sa akin, right after they joined, ang sabi niya sa akin, alam mo ba coach, merong isang leader ng isang networking company, ino-offeran kami ng libreng account. Free account ang binibigay. Diba? Parang, ayan, uso ngayon yan sa mga bagong companies. Mamimigay ng free account sa loob ng company. And, nagulat ako kasi hindi niya sinabi, pero nag-decide siyang mag-join sa team ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, kahit na sabihin nating nag-join kayo doon, hindi sasama ang loob ko. Alam niyo kung bakit? Because, kung yun yung kakagatin yung offer, yung tipong free account, medyo hindi nyo naunawaan kung how network marketing works. Ito, personal opinion ko about giving free accounts. Maybe you're listening to me, may network marketing company ka. Hindi ako agree sa libreng account. Alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi ang sineset mo diyang kultura. Bibigyan mo ng libreng account yung downline, ano ang psychological impact sa kanya nun? Tingin nga. Bibigyan mo ng libreng account ang downline. Anong psychological impact sa kanya nun? Versus siya ay maghahanap ng paraan para makapag-join siya. Doka nyo? Ano kaya yung psychological impact? Ano yung impact sa'yo dahil sa ikaw yung naglawas ng pera? Siyempre, paghihirapan mo. Pero kung binigay sa'yo yung account lang, the account was just given to you, and then wala ka man lang ka-effort doon sa part na nagsimula ka, most probably hindi mo ma-appreciate yan. Short term, yes, pwede. Long term, hindi. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, sabi ko, kahit na sabihin natin kinuha niya yung libre account, hindi yan sasama loob ko. Bakit? Kasi alam ko yung offer ko eh. Alam ko yung offer ko. Alam ko na pagpasok na dito, I mean, we will have a very, very strong network marketing system na kaya ko kayong pa-incomein. Pero ano yung impact sa'yo na nilibre yung account mo sa network marketing? So, I don't think you're gonna attract right people out of that. Maybe magstay na mga few months, maybe years, but staying there long term na yung kwento niya, pumasok siya dahil sa nilibre mo yung account. Medyo alanganin yun. So that's what I don't do. Kumbaga sa akin, I will follow you up because I want, because you see my opportunity and nakita mo tong gusto mo to, pag-usapan natin. Pero yung sasabihin mo na, i-babysit ko yung prospect, alam mo yun, sige, i-pamper mo, bagay ito gawin mo, alam mo yung mga ganun. Tama. I'm not saying you don't build relationship, building relationship is important, pero yung way pa parang papasukin mo siya, alam mo yun, nakuha nyo ba? So, I'm present on social media, I give message that attracts my target audience, and I show up consistently. That's how I build quality leaders. Kasi, we're right now in a generation where people are really hooked into their phones. So whether you like it or not, people will be on their phones on one way or another. So when they scroll and nakita nila yung content mo, will they be convinced more to do network marketing or other way around? Kanya? So kaya ako, I'm really creating this content kasi I want to help you guys. Gusto ko kayong tulungan. Pero quality leads, by the way, balik tayo sa topic natin. Quality leads, hindi mo kailangan bigyan ng libreng account yan kung quality yan. Hindi mo kailangan, ano yan? Basta. Para ba mapaliwanag? Hindi mo siya kailangan i-babysit. Ipakita mo lang sa kanya na if you would join sa community siya, company ko, sa company na binibuild ko, sa community na binibuild ko right now, we will truly explode into this. Pero sasabihin mo that, alam mo yun, like, again, libreng account ka. Yun yung isang bagay sa akin, guys. Tama? So, sinasabi ko to kasi I want you to have the understanding na quality leads, you don't buy these people. You make them find you. Okay? I don't buy quality. Ang point ko is, you make them find you. Kasi akala na, iba yun, sige, bigyan mo na lang yan, gastosan mo na yung libreng account. Okay na yan sa leader, hindi ganun. Kung quality yan, hindi sana nagganap ang paraan niya para pumasok. Hindi niya libre ang account. Make sense? Tama ba? So kahit sa mga teammates ko right now yung tinuturo ko. Yes, may pera ka, pero hindi ibig sabihin kailangan mo enroll yung mga tao na on your own pocket. Let them see the opportunity. Make sense? Hello, Joel Carbonell. Kamusta? Hello, Ma'am Gemma. Hello, Ma'am Doc Virgie. Okay. Maliwanag ba guys? Type nyo nga clear, type nyo nga learning kung may natututunan kayo at saka maliwanag para sa inyo. Okay, type nyo clear, type nyo learning. So, be present in one platform, pwedeng offline yan. Give so much value that people cannot, hindi sila makahindi sa'yo kung magre-request ka because of being good to them. And you give so much value in your content that if you ask them, you want to see the opportunity and all, they would say yes, definitely. Tama. And show up consistently. And then, I will never ever shortcut the offer. Sige, bigyan ako ng bala sa account mo because may psychological impact sa download mo kapag pumasok sa organization mo. Okay? So, yun na naman for me guys. I hope you learned something from this. For those people na kakabago lang dito and say, how do I want to learn how to do network marketing, go to PinoyNetworker.org. That's only $899. 90% discount pa ngayon yan. So, go to PinoyNetworker.org or check there sa may caption yung link. Okay? That's instant access. Ibig sabihin, kapag once you paid, matik yan, may makuha ka sa email mo na link ng PinoyNetworker.org. Okay? Yan. God bless everybody. Yun lang naman. Yes, Joel. Loud and clear. Low. Okay? So, nakakatuwa lang guys. As in, I hope you implement this. Something you share and you implement. Matutunan ninyo. Okay? God bless everybody guys. Bye-bye.